How to add a clock widget on your home screen for your iPhone with iOS 17. To add a clock widget that's pre-installed onto your iPhone here, go ahead and long press a blank area on your home screen until you see this happens. Next up, you're going to tap on this plus right up there at the top left. And when you do this, it's going to take you to the set of widgets found on your home screen. You'll be able to go ahead and search for it if you want to. Type in the words clock. You'll see the suggestion here. You can tap on it and it'll give you a collection of all the clocks on your iPhone. Or you just close this out here and go down until you see the clocks. These right here. Tapping on it one time will take you to this here, and you can browse through all the ones that's available for your iPhone. And of course, once you find the right selection or the one that you feel is good for your iPhone here, go ahead and press Add Widget, and this is gonna happen. If you feel like it's not in the right place, you can go ahead now and simply press Done, and then come back and long press it, and then just go ahead with the holding down here like this, and then bring it over to another part of your home screen, and then you can release it. Then press Done, and you're good to go. Like and sub.